Welcome to Fox Tech. Today I'm going to guide you through the process of managing and customizing the start page on Safari for your iPhone. While you can't entirely remove the start page, since Safari requires something to display when you open a new tab or page, you can definitely manage and customize what gets shown to you. When you open Safari and start a new tab, you'll see various suggestions, links, and other elements. Some of these might be useful, but often they can feel cluttered and unnecessary. Thankfully, you can easily get rid of the items you no longer want to see. To start customizing your start page, look for the edit button on the screen. This button is usually located towards the bottom, although it might blend in with the rest of the content. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on it. Tapping the edit button brings up a panel with several toggles. These toggles control what elements are displayed on your start page. You might see options for links recommended to you, links shared with you, and other various suggestions. Each toggle represents a different type of content that can appear on your start page. My advice for a cleaner, more streamlined browsing experience is to turn off as many of these toggles as possible. Disabling these options will help you maintain a less cluttered and more efficient start page. However, you don't have to be too drastic if you still find some of these elements useful. For example, you might want to keep your favorites or reading list enabled while turning off other less useful suggestions. Personally, I prefer a minimalistic approach. I don't even have a background image on my start page. You can decide how much you want to clean up your start page based on your preferences. The goal is to create a browsing environment that works best for you, free from unnecessary distractions. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Fox Tech for more tech tips and tutorials. Peace.